Hello and hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything and all about WordPress. I'm Aisha, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can load your inner pages even before the user clicks it. So when you are having a blog or anything that contains pages and descriptive images, etc., that might take some time to load that. So when you click on that, it will take almost like 5 or 10 seconds to load that page after you click it. So with this method, you can preload those pages even before the user clicks on it, which means that when the mouse just hovers over the article or the blog or anything, the inner page automatically loads by itself. So what happens with this is the user can save the time, and the process behind this is when the cursor is like idle, like when there is no action being done, the page automatically is taken down. Like if I click this here, you can see the page is already loaded, so I don't have to wait till the image loads or anything. So if I like take a second to place my mouse cursor there, the page is automatically loaded and I don't have to wait for anything. So some blogs don't have this, some pages don't have this. So in order to do this, you have to install a plugin. So I'm going to tell you about that. And before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, as we come up with videos on WooCommerce and WordPress every now and then to get your website performance up and top. So what we're going to do is we're going to the dashboard and install a plugin. So let's go to the plugin and add new. The plugin I'm going to add is called Flying Pages. Let's search for Flying Pages. With this plugin, this plugin is by the Speed Matters, and with this plugin, you can preload pages in Viewpoint and also in the hover over. If it means that when you are in a page where 2 or 3 links are already there, that pages gets loaded, and also when your mouse hover over that article, that link, it automatically loads. So I'm going to activate this plugin. All right, so here we have the settings. Let's go to the setting. So this alternative for these plugins are quick links and instant pages. But what happens is that using quick links, like whatever links are there in that page, it all gets loaded, and which means if one person is just getting a page view of 3 or 4, if you have 20 links, all your 20 links pages are opened. So what creates is the server gets busy and the server blocks and drops its work. So with this plugin, you can limit the number of requests per second, and also it is smart enough to detect the slow responses. It is cleared by the crash in the server, and when it detects the preloading, it's stopped. When it detects any crash in the server, it detects it and the preloading stops. So this is a best alternative of any other plugins available. So you can choose the delay to start preloading. It's 0 second almost every time, and also you can choose the maximum number of requests. If you have a very good server, you can increase this up to 5 or 10, or if you are using a low budget or server that's not very reliable, you can reduce the number as well. And you can also choose the preload over mouse hover only. It's your choice. If not everyone will be using a desktop, so you can choose to opt out. And also there's a mouse hover over delay, so how many seconds you want to do this, and also there is an ignore keyword option, so as to like some pages or some images, some pages with extension, all of this can be ignored during this. You can reduce this. If you want to image and PNG to load before this, you can reduce that. So sometimes you don't want to take time for JPG and images, you can choose to ignore that one. So also you can save the changes, and you can see that your your pages will be now loaded very fast, and it's it's a very good plugin as it limits all the number of preload per second and also stop preloading if the server is definitely busy. So you must have this plugin if you have a blog or any pages that needs a descriptive or image loading. So that's it. That's all about today's video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and we'll see you in another video. Bye.